Hey everybody, welcome to the data collection phase of the course. So for the next 4 weeks, we are going to be focusing on collecting either the actual data for original research projects or scouring the best available evidence through a variety of databases in order to collect supporting literature for your topic, whether it be a paper or the presentation that you'll be doing. For the group that's doing original research, we're waiting on your CPHS approval. So now is the perfect opportunity to start going back into the literature and finding evidence to support your introduction section. I'd encourage you to get a head start on writing that introduction while we wait for that CPHS approval. All the materials that you'll need will be available in that module. For the CAT and EBP group, this is your opportunity to start scouring all of the databases. Make sure you keep track of all of your findings. And what we'll be doing is kind of whittling our way down until you have the best available research to integrate into your project. We'll have a journal entry due, and we'll also have a discussion post due, just to kind of check in and make sure everybody is on target for your respective projects, and also to see what each other is doing. So make sure you check those due dates. I'll be available, so if you guys need a meeting, if you're concerned about how your progress is going, feel free to reach out to me and we can take a look and set up a meeting, make sure that you're on track. Other than that, happy hunting for those of you that are scouring the literature. And for those of you that are waiting for that CPHS approval, I will let you know as soon as I hear back, because I know you're all anxiously awaiting to recruit your participants and actually start that data collection. Be sure to take a look at the preparing for data collection. There's also some other things you can be doing this week just to organize yourself before you actually get that approval. So take a look at those suggestions as well. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great couple weeks. Bye.